Right, hello there everyone and welcome back to another video here on the JB Visuals YouTube channel. And first of all, I would like to just wish every single one of you out there a very happy new year. And of course, welcome to 2024. Now, as you all know, every year I normally do like a trial vlog, and this year is no different because of course, here I am on the beach, but this time on New Year's Day. Because obviously, I actually always like to go for a little walk on the beach during the first part of the year, and I thought this would be a really nice little idea, just to come out on the beach, have some fresh air, get ready for the new year ahead, and yeah, just have a little talk about some of the plans I've got coming up in the next few weeks and months and the rest of the year, and just have a little walk on the beach in general. So here I am then on the North Dunes beach here in Great Yarmouth, obviously my local beach, and the sun is absolutely shining. There's literally, well, it's all blue skies and a few clouds, and of course I'm a little bit further away this year. I'd normally start around over there, but I thought I'd come over to the left here and just have a little look at some of the dunes over here. And yeah, we're just going to go for a nice little walk up here, and it's like a little path I can see. Yeah, just gonna have a nice little walk on the dunes here. There's a lot of people out today with their dogs and on their winter walks as well. Can't believe that Christmas Day was literally just last week. I just can't believe how quick the time's gone. And yeah, it really does go quick when you're getting older. Yeah, it just doesn't feel so long ago, because last week I would have been with my family having Christmas dinner and opening presents, and yeah, look where we are now, at the start of a new year. Now of course this is actually a trial vlog, but I'm also testing it out on my brand new GoPro Hero 10 Black, which is the new vlogging camera which I've got. It is literally the same as the GoPro Hero 9 Black, but of course this is actually the 10, so it's actually a lot more powerful, and plus it's actually got a really good hyper smooth on this camera. So this is the first time taking the camera out, because obviously I did do like a few test shots at home just to make sure that the camera actually works, and it does. The only downside is that it does have a bit of a fast battery. It does run down quite fast, but obviously you know, I thought just come over here and just test it out. And yeah, we've got a few videos coming up this year, which I'll be talking about in a minute, but first I'll just leave you with some really nice shots of the beach. I tell you what, it's always nice to see the sunshine shining down on the sea, which you can actually just see in the background, and I do like the way that the sea actually shines like diamonds when the sun is actually so bright. And yeah, obviously, like I said, we are actually here on the North Dunes beach. I'm not going to go any further because obviously at the minute all the attractions are closed, because obviously I don't normally head down there until around about the end of February to mid-March. So speaking of videos, we've actually got a few more vlogs coming up over the next couple of months. Do more seafront walks, do Joyland again, and Britannia Pier when they open again towards Easter. That would be really nice to do. Maybe go down to Galston-on-Sea again, Hemsby as well, and Scrapby. Yeah, maybe a few little other new places to see on the channel in the future maybe. But yeah, just look at the sun, look at the sky. Really nice blue skies on New Year's Day to mark the start of a really nice, wonderful 2024. And we've got all these really nice dunes as well. Hope you enjoyed the little montage that I actually did just before Christmas, when I actually went out in the sunset and just captured those really nice views of the skies and the beach, all different colours. Yeah, it's so nice and quiet today as well. We've got a lot of people out with their dogs and of course on their winter walks as well. So nice to come out here in the winter, just have a little walk around and just take in the fresh air, enjoy the nature, on the wildlife, and just having a little look at all the different sites. Yeah, so I'm just going to reveal a few more videos, and then I'll give you a few more different camera shots, and then of course I will then wrap up this short test vlog for the GoPro Hero 10 Black. But yeah, in terms of other videos on the channel, we've also got the PlayStation game videos coming back. We've got more bus simulator videos where I'll be driving different buses and taking different routes. We're also going to be doing the Train Simulator World 3 game again, where we're actually going to be driving more trains, different routes, different journeys. That's going to be something to look forward to. More overview videos of things I buy, just to show how they work and demonstrate them and that. And of course, a lot more surprises along the way. But yeah, 2024, really nice start so far. Nice to get out in the fresh air and think about the year, think about what I'm going to be doing with the channel and that. And yeah, it's so nice to have the sun out as well, just to make it a bit more happier. And I would just like to say once again, wherever you are, I'd like to wish you all a very happy new year. Hope 2024 is going to be a very happy and healthy and peaceful new year for all of you out there. And I hope all of you out there are still going to join me on this incredible journey of JB Visuals developing. But I'd like to say thank you so much for your continued support, and I really enjoy making the videos. I'm going to keep continuing to make as many as I can, because I enjoy making, filming and editing them, and I just cannot wait for 2024. It's going to be a very exciting year for the channel. But yeah, that's it for me. I'll give you a few more different shots of the beach, then I'll be going home, film and edit this video, and hopefully it will come out well. And remember, keep on filming and keep on editing. See you all very soon. Bye for now.